Greetings students, this is Archana Dubey and in Applied Maths of class 11th, today we are going to learn about one topic which is laws of indices. So let us start with the definition of index. Students, actually इन्हें laws of indices बोला गया है, कहीं कहीं इन्हें rule भी बोला जाता है. तो rules हो या laws हो, एक ही बात है. हम देखते हैं index की definition से. Index of a variable or a constant is a value that is raised to the power of the variable. The indices are also known as powers or exponents. It shows the number of times a given number has to be multiplied. It is represented in the form like a to the power m. इसमें जो ये m है, इसे हम पावर भी कह सकते हैं या एक्सपोनेंट भी कह सकते हैं. इसमें a to the power m लिखा हुआ है. It means what? a को हमें m times multiply करना है. Here a is said to be base and m is the index. Let us see one example. 5 to the power 4, जिसमें 5 is known as base and 4 is called as exponent or power or index. Let us see one more definition of index. Indices are a convenient tool in mathematics to compactly denote the process of taking a power or a root of a number. Taking a power is simply a case of repeated multiplication of a number with itself, while taking a root is just equivalent to taking a fractional power of the number. आपने ऐसा example पहले भी देखा. 4 to the power 3. 4 is known as base and 3 is index or power. And its expanded form is 4 into 4 into 4. क्योंकि यहाँ पे power पे 3 है, तो हम 4 को 3 times multiply करेंगे. एक और example देखते हैं. 5 square, which can be written as 5 into 5, which is nothing but 25. So 5 square is called index form, 5 into 5 is called expanded form and 25 is called its numerical form. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि पावर पे सिंपल एक नंबर दिया जाए. कभी कभी फ्रैक्शन भी होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल a अंडर रूट n होल पावर m. इसे लिखा जा सकता है a to the power m under root n, which is equals to a to the power m upon n. जो यहाँ पावर पे m था, उसे हम a के साथ पावर पे लगा देंगे और जो यहाँ पे रूट के साथ जो नंबर था, उसे हम यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में रख देंगे. एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8 स्क्वायर. We know that square of 8 is 64. So we can write it like cube root of 64. और 64 का क्यूब रूट होता है 4. So its answer is 4. Now let us talk about laws of indices. Law number 1, which is known as product with the same basis. According to this law, for any non-zero term a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n, where m and n are real numbers. इस लॉ में बेस सेम होंगी, उनके पावर्स डिफरेंट होंगे और आंसर जो आएगा उसमें वही सेम बेस रख के हमें पावर को ऐड करना है. एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. 3 क्यूब into 3 to the power 4. It would be 3 to the power 3 plus 4, which is 7. So answer is 3 to the power 7. Law number 2, which is known as quotient with same basis. According to this law, a to the power m upon a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. Students, जब भी आप ये quotient word देखेंगे मैथ्स में, किसी भी लॉ में, किसी भी रूल में, तो जनरली उसमें डिवीजन की बात होगी. यहाँ पे a to the power m upon a to the power n is there, which is equals to a to the power m minus n. जब डिवीजन में होंगे तो पार्ट्स सब्ट्रैक्ट होंगे, जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होंगे तो पार्ट्स ऐड होंगे. Here a is a non-zero term and m and n are integers. Let us see one example here. Example is 3 to the power 7 upon 3 square would be 3 to the power 7 minus 2, which is equals to 3 to the power 5. Now, law number 3, which is also known as power raised to a power. According to this law, if A is the base, then the power raised to the power of base A gives the product of the powers raised to the base A, such as A to the power m to the power n equals to A to the power m into n. जब आपके पास कोई बेस और उस पे पावर हो और उस पूरी टर्म के ऊपर एक और पावर हो, तो दोनों पावर्स जो हैं वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाते हैं. Here A is a non-zero term and m and n are integers. One example is x cube to the power 4, which is equals to x to the power 3 into 4, which is equals to x to the power 12. Now law number 4, which is also known as product to a power. According to this law, for two or more different bases, if the power is same, then A to the power n into B to the power n is equals to AB to the power n, where A is a non-zero term and n is the integer. अगर आपके पास बेसिस जो है वो डिफरेंट है लेकिन पावर सेम है और वो एक्सप्रेशन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में दिया गया है, उसमें हम बेसिस को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और जो सेम पावर्स हैं उनको कॉमनली ब्रैकेट के बाहर लिख लेंगे. एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. 2 to the power 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5 to the power 4. इसमें पावर सेम है, बेस डिफरेंट है. हम लिख सकते हैं इसे 2 into 5 to the power 4, which is equals to 10 to the power 4. We can take another example as m cube मल्टीप्लाई बाई t क्यूब. यहाँ m और t वेरिएबल हैं, दोनों डिफरेंट बेसिस हैं लेकिन पावर सेम है, तो हम इन्हें लिख सकते हैं m मल्टीप्लाई बाई t होल टू द पावर 3, which is equals to mt whole cube. Law number 5 is quotient to a power. According to this law, the fraction of two different bases with the same power is represented as a to the power n upon b to the power n is equals to a upon b whole to the power n, where a and b are non-zero terms and n is an integer. मैंने पहले भी बताया है, जब भी क्वेश्चन की बात होगी तो डिवीजन ही आएगा. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं बेस a पे पावर n है अपॉन बेस b पे भी पावर n है. बेसिस डिफरेंट है और पावर सेम है, तो हम इसे लिखेंगे a अपॉन b होल टू द पावर n. एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. 6 square upon 2 square. Here bases are different but powers are same. So we can write it like 6 upon 2 to the power 2. And we know that 6 upon 2 is 3. So answer is 3 square, which is equals to 9. Let us take one more example. H cube upon 4 cube. We can write it like h upon 4 whole cube. So our answer is h upon 4 whole cube. Law number 6, which is zero power. According to this law, when the power of any integer is 0, then its value is equal to 1, such as a to the power 0 equals to 1, where a is any non-zero term. Let us see example. Anything to the zero power except 0 is 1. कोई भी वेरिएबल हो, कोई भी नंबर हो, उसके ऊपर अगर पावर 0 है तो उसकी वैल्यू हमेशा 1 होती है, एक्सेप्ट 0 बेस. अगर बेस 0 है और पावर 0 है तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 नहीं होती है. ये बात आप याद रखिएगा. Here p to the power 0 is 1, 25 to the power 0 is 1 and 10 lakh to the power 0 is equals to 1. एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं. z cube into x to the power 0 into y cube is equals to z cube, and as we know that x to the power 0 is 1, so we put here 1 y cube, so its answer is z cube y cube. Law number 7, which is negative exponent. If the index negative value, then it can be shown as the reciprocal of the positive index raised to the same variable, like a to the power minus p is equals to 1 upon a to the power p, where A is a non-zero term. Let us see its example. A to the power minus x can be written as 1 upon a to the power x. 2 to the power minus 4 is equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 4. आपको रेसिप्रोकल लिख देना है उसका और माइनस साइन रिमूव कर देनी है. पावर में कोई चेंजेस नहीं आएंगे. लॉ नंबर 8 which is rational exponent. An index in the form of a fraction can be represented as the radical form. For example, a to the power p upon q is equals to a to the power p under root q, where a is a non-zero term. Example, a to the power 1 by 3 can be written as cube root of 8, and we know that cube root of 8 is 2, so answer is 2. Now here 25 to the power 3 by 2. We will write it like square root of 25 whole power 3. So its answer is 5 cube, which is equals to 125. आप ये बात याद रख लीजिए, जब भी बेस पे कोई भी पावर फ्रैक्शन में हो तो जो डिनोमिनेटर में लिखा होता है वो रूट के साथ लगाया जाता है, और जो न्यूमरेटर में होता है, फ्रैक्शन का जो न्यूमरेटर है, वो बेस के साथ पावर पे लगाया जाता है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. हैप्पी लर्निंग.